Okay, so in this, what are we doing right now is we are actually creating the call transaction method, BDC call transaction method for call transaction method for MM01 transaction. So previously we have done MK01, now we are doing it for the MM01. So for MM01, what we are doing is the first and foremost is I'm entering data manually. Okay, so for that I open the MM01 transaction. Let me come back again. MM01 is the transaction code in which we are getting this data M92. Enter. Basic data. This here we have say some chassis, cages. Enter. Save. It got saved successfully. So we have successfully created a material called MAT7892 in our SAP system. So now we'll go ahead with the recording. So for recording, we'll go to SHTP transaction, and in the SHTP transaction, we'll go for new recording. In the new recording, we'll go for MAT1. You can give any name. Recording. Okay, I'll give it as Aditya. Recording name is Aditya, and then transaction code is MM01. This transaction should be exactly the same as we have done there. So we'll go for that, and now we'll give this value as 93. Enter. And main data, basic data. Okay, and this is for steering. The material name is steering, kg. Yes, and save it. Back. This recording have to be done in the program. So I'll go for ZVA underscore MMREC recording 1. Transfer from recording. Say OK. Source code. Local object. Now in this we have got the recording. Okay, so the process which I am doing right now, in which we are taking only the recording part here after the open group and before this 41st line. So 40 till 41st line is what we are selecting it now. So we'll go ahead into the /OSE 38. We will go for MM. Transaction. Create. Transaction executable program. Say OK. We have done the recording. Now based on the recording, we'll create the fields, guys. So here we don't know the field name, so let me comment this and go ahead with this is the field name MATNR. So WA underscore, I'll give it as MM-MATNR. So our work area name is what I've set it as MM01. So here we'll go for types begin off. You can give the structure name as you whatever you want. I am giving it as ST underscore MM. Here MATNR, type MATNR. Now what's the second field that we have here? MBRSH. So that selection we have done, right? That selection, it is taking it as M1. So we have to give it as, that is MBRSH. The retail which we have given, it's selected as recording as 1. So this is MBRSH. Type MBRSH, the field name, and in this the update which is given here is 1. So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead with, let me complete this structure, end of st underscore mm. So in this we have to add these fields. So I'm keep on adding these fields. Now if you don't know anything, you can just follow this way. It will be very easy for us to build that. So according to the recording, I'm going. Okay, so in the recording here we have MBRSH. I'll also write here MBRSH, and the same thing I'll update in the structure as well. Now here the next value which we have in the first screen is MTART W underscore mm hyphen MTART. In this we have MTART type MTART. Here we have steering. Steering have to be commented. WA underscore mm hyphen MAKTX. MAKTX. Then we have WA underscore mm hyphen MEINS. Okay, so these are the values that we have entered manually. That's it. Okay. MAKTX is a description we have. So let's add these fields here. The fields happen to be MAKTX MEINS. I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hard-coded values is what we need to see it carefully, guys. So this is what we have. FERT, instead of that we have given 1. So let me build a new flat file here for this. So I'll go with MAT 7850 tab 1 tab this MTRT is ZMDG. We go for ZMDG tab. There's only one tab here, right? Let me check. Yeah, one tab. ZMG tab. MAKTX tab. MEINS tab. Not MEINS, sorry. MAKTX, I need to give the value, right? I'll give something like dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Dashboard, and then we have kg. The unit is kg. This is the description that we have given. This is a unit, and then that's it. So these are the values which we gave, guys. So we just have to give this as this should be the same 1 dashboard. Okay, 2. I'll give this as mirror, and mirror. Okay, here we'll give this as So I'll save this as mm01. Just three records. So according just those three values. Now here we'll go ahead with data it underscore mm, type standard table of st underscore mm, w underscore mm, type st underscore mm. Now here we'll go for GUI underscore upload. Now here we just need to give that field properties, documents, properties. Now here we need to also mention that IT BDC data. So we have to go for IT underscore BDC data, type standard table of BDC data. BDC data. So this is what we have to give here. And then here in this loop, we are right refresh IT underscore BDC data. Okay, this is what we have to do. Now that we have done this, we'll go for call transaction mm01. Mode A, update A. So in the previous session, I already explained about the different types of modes and different types of updates. So IT underscore BDC data is carrying the properties from BDC data, which has the field properties. Okay, there are some properties: program name, dyne pro, dyne begin, fnam, fr. These are the values that we have here. So because of that, it is mandatory for us to go ahead with that. Then we have to go ahead with the end loop. After this, we need to give the form details. So these forms needs to be copied from our BDC underscore BDC RECX1 include program. Here in the include program, we have BDC RECX1. If you double click on it and click on display, you will get this thing. And in this include program, you have to go to the extreme last, complete last, and in this you have to go ahead and copy these fields, this subroutines, last two subroutines, copy it, paste it here, and in this we need to give this as WA underscore BDC data. We'll give this as space. Now append WA underscore BDC data to IT underscore BDC data. Execute. So you get here, enter, enter again, enter again. Yes, it got saved now. Okay, so this is the first record has been uploaded successfully. Now the second record also got updated successfully. Now the third record. All the records have been successfully uploaded from the flat file to MM01 and then to the Mara table. So you can go ahead and check these values in the Mara table. So I'm going into SE16N now. I'm going into SE16N. Now in this I'll go for Mara table and created on. I just want to select this created on as today. Execute. So if you select this created on, so today is 28th. So 28th we have this this has been created. This record has been created. Then we have okay, so we can just quickly go ahead and see this. Yeah, chassis and steering, whatever records we have uploaded there is coming here. This chassis and steering. These you can see in the MAKT table. It got updated in MAKT table successfully. Okay, this values got recorded here in the Mara table as well, and MAKT table. The description is updated in the MAKT table, and all the other values are entered here in the Mara table. Okay, so with this we have seen that successfully the material data is loaded into the Mara table. So here, yeah, we have got data from flat file to internal table to screens to the tables. This is what we have done. Okay. So we have done it for MM01. First we have done the manual entry, then we created the recording and flat file, and then we have went into the main program. So as we all know, as we already discussed, in the call transaction, when we're writing call transaction, we'll have modes A, E, N. All screen display, error screen display, no screen display in the concept here. So here you can write all screen display, no screen display, and error screen display in mode. Next in update we have A. So in the update you'll have asynchronous and synchronous. Okay. So this is what we have. This is the program for MM01. I'll just copy paste this one in your and share it with in your mail. Then you can go ahead and practice this. So we are done with the MM01 call transaction method.